Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Today, I'm going to just make a video for class 9, chapter 11, that is flowchart. So, you all know that flowchart is a pictorial representation of any data. So, today I will show you how will you create a flowchart in MS Excel. Okay, and practically I'm going to show you how will you make a flowchart of any data. So for that I'm just going to open MS Excel. So I'm clicking on the start button, and then after we will just type here EXCEL Excel and then press enter. You can see Excel is now open. Okay, so let me just do the quick revision whatever I have explained earlier. All right, so this is the first page of the MS Excel worksheet, and by default this was the worksheet contains three sheets, that is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, so I am working on sheet 1 right now. So you can see that in the top there are different tabs are available, and each tab have different group, and each group have different options. So this one is the home tab, this one is the insert tab, this one is the page layout tab, formula tab, and data tab, and review tab, and view tab. Okay, so I'm clicking on home tab. So if you see on home tab there are so many groups like clipboard group, font group, alignment group, and number group. So each and every group have a different option. Like in the font group you can change the font appearance, like font size, font face of, we can do the bold of any font, make the bold and italic, underline. We can increase the font size also, we can change the color of the font. If you want to just increase the font size, so we will just go to the font size option. If you want to color the font, so you will just click on the A option, font color. Okay, similarly just below that these are the name box. This is known as name box, and this one is the formula bar. If you write any formula, so you can see the formula in the formula bar. And these are the columns like A column, B column, C column, and these are the row available in the worksheet. Okay, and this particular area, square area, is known as cell, and each and every cell have a unique reference, and this cell reference you can see in the name box. So the cell I have selected is C3 cell. Suppose that I am selecting this one, so you can see that it is showing in the name box, that is E3 cell. Okay, so uh, now I am going to just open a file that I have already saved. If you remember, I have made a mark sheet of class 9th, and behalf of that mark sheet I will show you how will you create a flow chart of that uh, uh, mark sheet. Okay, so for that I am going to open that file. So how will you open that file? You will click on the office button. This is the office button. You will simply give a left click on that, and then you can see there are so many options, so you will select the open option. Okay, so I am clicking on open option. When you click on open option, you will see open window, new of open window is appear, and then we will choose the location where you saved your file. So I have saved my file in the D drive in my folder. So I will open the my folder, and then I will click on that file. You can see there is a mark sheet of class 9. So you will just select it and click on open. Okay, if you click on open, you can see that our file is already opened. Okay, so in this in this data, in this mark sheet, you can see that I have written here the column name, student name, and these are the subjects like math, science, computer, Hindi, English, SST. Maximum marks I have stored here, and total marks, and I have counted the percentage also. So simply I have applied a formula of total how to calculating the total. So you can see that when I am clicking here, so formula is showing in the formula bar. I have applied here a formula of addition, and here I have applied a formula. You can see in the um, formula bar I have applied a percentage formula. So you all know that. I am just revising it. Okay, so now the topic is how will you create a flow chart of this data. Okay, so flow chart pictorial representation, you all know that. So first of all we have to select all these data, and then after selecting this data we will click on the insert tab. Okay, so this is the insert tab. You can see that just beside the home tab, this is the insert tab. You can see that. So you have to click on the insert tab, and when you click on the insert tab, you will see there are so many groups are available, like table group and illustration group, chart group, link group. So we have to go in the chart group area. Okay, so in the chart group area there are so many charts that I have already explained in the class. What are the use of these different charts, like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. So how will you apply these charts practically? So first of all, I'm going to just apply the column chart of that data. So we will click on the column option. You can see that there is a small triangle. You have to click on that small triangle, and then you will find the different shapes of the chart. These all are the column chart, but it is looking in different shapes. Okay, so let me just show you one by one. So I'm going to select the first one. So it will looks like that. You can see that if I'm selecting the column chart, so each and every data is representing in the pictorial form. Okay, so and if you want to just change the shape of the chart, so you will select it again, and then you will again go to the insert tab, and then choose the different uh, shape of the chart. Like you, if you want to before I have selected the 3D, and if you want to change it in the cylindrical uh, cylinder, so it will looks like that. Okay, you can see that. Again if you want to just change it, so again you will go to that column option, and you will select the pyramid, so it will looks like a pyramid. Okay, so similarly you can change the different type of chart also. So now I am going to just change it into the line chart. So how will you change it in different charts? So you will again click on that chart, and then go to the insert tab, and then uh, click on line chart. If you click on line chart, you can see that there are different shapes of line chart. So suppose that I want to just click on that line chart. So you will see that this data will representing in the line chart. Okay, you can see that. Similarly, if you want to change in bar chart, so you will click on pie chart, so you will click on that option. So you will see that your flow chart will looks like that. All right, so um I think you all understand how will you apply the chart in any data. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.